guys, welcome to the first video that's going to explain how to make a page on our site. So let's try to get a, let me see if this is recording. Yeah, let's just try to find a page to do. So I already did all that. Let's try Dragon Ball and how about Xenogoku? Yeah. Okay, so let's try Xenogoku. Okay, so normally the regular way to do this is just add a page and then like type the thing. But here, since we have already so many Goku pages, I made this thing where like it has all the alternate pages, articles or whatever on here. So let's just click this. Okay. Now we go on the standard format for character profiles. You can just type this on the thing and it'll show. And we go to source editor and we copy starting from this all the way here. We'll even copy the gallery. I don't normally use galleries on the page because it requires extra work, but let's just use it for once to show how to do it. So let's just put it here. Okay, now you go here. Now the first thing we're obviously going to do is add images. So the way you have to do this is first you do tabber. I can't explain why we really need to use this, but we just do. So first we just put on the images. Wait, hold on. You do this, open up like this thing. You literally drop the files. Let's just call this base Xenogoku. And we click that because it doesn't work. And then there. We change this from thumb to right so the images will always show on the right side of the page. That's where it's always supposed to go. And we change this to 180px whatever to 400px bare minimum because 180px is like really small. Will look really small for an image. Then we put this quote. So there's a thing on here that has a quote. Yeah, this. So we copy this, we put it here instead of this whatever random quote. We put this here, and yeah, let me do this. Okay, and then we do the next image, which is the same thing. We just do this. SSJ1, go to. You can name these things anything as long as you can like identify them in case you somehow lose them, because sometimes fandom likes to be dumb and sometimes your images will not like post, and then you have to go through this thing and search for your images, and sometimes it just does not show and it's just weird. So make sure like you click, like when you put your thing in the thing, you click on the code thing and so it knows you want to put the image there, etc, etc. Okay, put this to 400px, same thing. You go to this. It's the same thing over and over. This is Xeno SSJ3 Goku. Boom, like that. Oh wait, I'm dumb. I just forgot to put something. When you put the thing, I totally forgot this. You have to do this, and then you do base or whatever, and then nowhere. I don't know why I forgot about this. So that's for base. You have to put this, and then Super Saiyan or whatever, and then equal, then that, and this will be Super Saiyan 3. Yeah, I do not know why I forgot to put that, but I knew I was missing something. Then we do Super Saiyan 4. Get this render. Put it on here. Xeno SSJ4 Goku, whatever. Upload all. Insert. Right. 400px there. Then we put. I legit forgot what this form was called. Super Full Power Saiyan 4 Limit Breaker. Goofy ass name. Anyway, Super Full Power Saiyan 4 Limit Breaker. Then we put this. onto here as okay. And then when you're finished putting all the images, you have to put back arrow / tabber, so it doesn't, like, the code doesn't mesh with the other code because it's supposed to be its own thing. So let's preview how it looks. This looks good. Looks fine. Wait, just wait. I think this image could be a little bigger. So let's make it at least 410. You could keep doing this over and over until you, like, find an image that, like, until you find the right size. Just wait for it to load. Yeah, it's good enough. Okay. Now we go to the normal visual editing thing. And then we just copy paste this all. So, like, we bold this. Then we get this. Then we get. For now we can just copy paste everything. It's easy. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, we just bold this. I mean, you don't have to, but I'm just doing it just because. Then we just do male over whatever, age, classification, all this stuff. Time controller, 3D. Then the keys. We actually need to bold this and the dimensionality. Okay, now for the power. Okay, this is probably one of the hardest parts, I guess. Okay, so let's do this. Since we want tabbers on this, because this has basic representing boards of that, we have to do it like this. So let's erase all of this. We do the same tabber thing as the image thing. Then we do the first tabber, basic representing board. And let's start. So first, we just add this, like add the powers. We do this. We just we just click done because, like, I'll eventually make these powers and abilities links. So just copy all of this. Super easy. Just do that. Then that we have to bold and, like, we have to bold and highlight them because, like, unbolding makes it look hard to read and stuff. Key manip, whatever. Then or blah 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 blah. Oops. Get this. Okay, let's show how to. Oops. Let's show how to place a link on or a hyperlink, whatever. So let's just do this. Since he's saying. So we just click the link, obviously, and we highlight what text you want to hyperlink it. We click this, but instead of, like, here, you have to click external site. Then you place the link onto here, and done. And there, it's there now. Reminder: you have to make these pages on like a computer or a laptop or whatever, not a phone, because this will not work on a phone. Let's just say that. Light manip, whatever. It's the same thing. That. Then you just click link. You highlight. Put that there. Wait for it to load. Done. And that's how you do it, basically. You just keep on doing that. That's literally all you need to do to hyperlink. Like that. Blah blah blah. if you guys want, if you get the idea, you can just skip to like whenever I finish it. So like you get to the next part. It's the next part is kind of the same thing. It's like in a way, it's just more hyperlinking and stuff. The hard part gets to the gallery, which again I'm not even a master at that. And the way I really just know what to do is just like going on other profiles that with like galleries and stuff. And I just try to copy exactly how they do it. That's pretty much how I even know how to make profiles like this. You just copy other people, or you just like mimic. You know how like how Garo mimics powers. Fuck. Like how Garo mimics powers and stuff. Space, time, portal. Is there two? Yeah, there's two. Okay, for like 2 links, it's the same thing. Just do this, or like if you want to add 2 links into like one explanation, just like half highlight it and just do that, and then get the other link. Do the other side. Super easy. Then okay, where are we on now? Okay, to left, blah blah blah. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, some links people use do not work. Like if you use some weird manga site, I tried to do this on a certain profile before with a certain link, and it just fandom did not like the link, so it just will not work. So it's just a pointer that sometimes certain links might not all work depending on how sus they are. Like this one, for example. I'm not even sure if this will work, but whatever. Let's do that. Get this link. And add the rest of the explanation, no stuff, just add more of this. Blah, blah. Super easy stuff. Casualty. Yeah, like I said, a lot of these powers do not have links yet because Kana didn't make them yet, but now she's gone, so I'm gonna have to do this by myself. So this will eventually come. So like, at least for a placeholder, just like put these things on there. So like when I make the pages, it'll automatically link with the thing, so you don't have to like do anything about it. And then like this. Hope I'm not going too fast. That's so. What's next? But overall, this is just how it is. Oh yeah, I gotta do this. Oh, this will be different. Oh, this will be interesting. Time stop. Written. What the hell? That was weird. To like undo stuff, you just do Control Z, easy. Probably should have done this the other way, but I can fix that really easily. Blah. Kind of make a durability negation page, so I have to do this.
I have to use my mic now.
Supernatural willpower. Hyperlink. Remember that stuff like with negation, you can't bold all at once because negation has its own page you can just link to, or link it separately to. Stats reduction, then passive, blah blah blah. You don't have to bold passive. I mean, if you want to, you can, but personally, I don't. Sometimes fandoms are really goofy. It just screws stuff up. Okay, now I'm gonna do something that I should have done before. Is to use where is it? Use this. This is like a waste. This thing is like, how do I describe this? Let's say you go on a page, right, and they have two tabs you can look at once, the powers and resistances tab. Kind of like this page. Hold on. Not Midoriya. Saitama, yes. Let's see. So you see this? How it's you can see both of them at the same time. This is how I'm gonna use it. So basically, I'm just gonna. I kind of already. How am I gonna do this? Oh yeah, I got it. So you just put this, you put like that. And then you put this to powers. You copy all of this. Replace that. Do this. Then do resistances. And then we'll go to the resistance tab. I hope I did not screw anything up because I forgot to do this. Now let's do. Wait, this isn't on its own page. Well, I mean, it does, but like, but it won't. It was not at the moment. Discord scans. I don't know why I did not replace this, but whatever. Revenge, death ball, scattered. Does this link work? I think that's it for the regular thing. Let me see how this looks first of all. I don't know if I even did this right. Yeah, I think I did this right actually. Okay, so let's ignore this and make a new this. So we just copy the same thing. We replace character with like the tabber name, which is this, and we replace this with powers, this with resistances, like these, and then we add the powers. So I just had a brain fart for a second. Whoops. Heat manipulation. the hell is energy on? Statistics, amplification. Actually, I should. Oh, whatever. I'll probably change that later. Should paste the link. Put that back up there. I think we're done with the powers. Now we put the resistances, or just fodder. What the hell is energy? Statistics. Is it called statistics or stat reduction? Oh, whatever. There. I think we are done with the powers finally. Tabber. Let's see how this looks. Okay, this looks perfect. There's no glitches, no weird things as far as I can see. Working well. Okay, now we can finally go back to the visual editing and place the attack potency. Let's do this. Blah blah blah. Super easy stuff. Seriously? Okay. Okay, now same thing here, but speed, so blah blah blah. Measurable. Former. you spell this guy's name? This is kind of the easiest part, I think. Well, actually, yeah, it is kind of the easiest part. The important thing is to just copy and paste the entire format and don't try to make it yourself, which doesn't make sense. You can literally just copy paste it, which is already there. I don't know why people still try to make their own. It's literally right there. Like it's fine for like Discord, but on the site, it's way different. Like it's not gonna look really good if you really make it handmade or like on your own. Should I add this? I don't know. I'll probably add it later, just not now. You can add standard. I don't know why we don't have a section for it yet. I'm just too lazy to add it, but you can add your own section, standard tactic section if we don't have it. Okay. Now we try to do the gallery. This is gonna be kind of tricky to do, so I'm gonna get some gallery stuff for it, and we'll. Okay, we're back. So I got some images to use for this gallery. So okay, I'm gonna try to copy how I did this on this version. So basically, we just put the images here. I hope this works. Okay, then we delete the file, this part. We delete this part too. Like that's it. I don't know how, but this is how it works. So and then we just put on this same thing. Oh, I pray this works. I don't know if this will, but I don't know if it'll work, to be honest, but let's just try, I guess. Wait, hold on, let me check. I think I'm putting it in the wrong place. Just wait. Okay, it's working somehow. Okay, yeah, basically, so I'm right. So we just get these images, we upload, it's the same thing, except we remove the file and all of this and just make it alone like that. Did I put this? Then we just do the same thing. Oops. Okay, then it's basically the same thing. Let's try to get some GIFs. Hold on. Okay, we're back. So basically, we just put the same thing. It's the same thing like this. Insert. We remove file. That. Oops. Okay. That. Let's see. These are probably loading. Okay, it looks fine. Okay. I think we're ready to publish this. Oh my gosh. See, this was what I was talking about before. He doesn't allow some of these scans. Manga is whatever that is. Oops. Knew it. Doesn't like this scan. I'm probably gonna replace the scan. Okay, I think it should work now at least, yeah. Okay, I think that's it. For the final thing, you have to put these categories, so like tier 2, Dragon Ball, tier high 2A, tier 2C. You technically are supposed to put all these powers, but I'm way too lazy for that, so I'm just gonna do that. I forgot to put this one thing. It's supposed to have this too, so and I think we're, wait, hold on, it's just too much space. And I think we're done. This has way less scans than I thought it would. Jeez. Anyway, yeah, I think we're done here. I hope we're not missing anything. I even showed how to do the gallery thing. Yeah, I think we're done here. So, you guys have any questions on some of the stuff, or if you're trying to make a profile and something screws up, you can just, you know, ask me on the Discord server. And, yeah, that's it.